YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Bitcoin doing Bitcoin things, right? Very unpredictable as always, guys. Nobody can predict the market. We know that. But before we get into that, as a matter of fact, that's a great thing to bring up. All right. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. You gotta go out and do your own research at the end of the day, guys. We just talk about cryptocurrency and things that are trending. So let's talk about it, right? Our total market cap coming in at a 2.8. Fear Greed Index ticking up all the way to 31. We're almost in the yellow, right? It's looking like we're seeing some little bit of market positivity. Definitely had a great day for Bitcoin, right? The market's also looking like they're seeing a great response, which is awesome as well. Bitcoin coming in at the time of the video at 86. It did shoot above 87, saw a rejection of that 87.5. Did create some kind of a rising wedge here. Definitely do still have to be making sure that we're picking up in volume, right? Because we're still not out of the woods. We still have, again, on this 1 month, this is a now rising wedge breaking down, right? So maybe on some of our long-term indicators, this could also go either way. But again, Bitcoin making some positive price action today and some higher lows today. So far, so good, right? But again, us with this is not right. Actually, this is not higher lows, right? Because we closed right here and this is kind of on a little bit of a downtrend. But again, higher lows on the long term, like, right? We could pretty much draw a line right there. So Bitcoin still making higher lows on the day. That's good. At the same time, we're sitting up against some key levels right now, I'm sure. Oh, well, we're trying to hold above this second Keltner channel. As you guys can see, it's not the first time that we've done this, right? We don't want to have a repeat of this situation or this situation, right? We need a clean breakout here. And that's what I was saying. In my opinion, we'll see a clean breakout if this thing can hit 89. If we can't see it hit that 89 range, we might see this thing have a retest. Again, some lower levels, but it's not for sure what's going to happen right now, right? I do want to look at the RSI, even though I could kind of see how much volume is coming in right now. I'm still paying attention to it, right? We still holding it, right? 30-minute bouncing off this second level here. It's not looking too bad. It's just looking like things are taking some time to play out. 1 hour again, not also looking bad too. So Bitcoin just needing some time. It could really break either way, right? It could go up or it can go down. I do like the fact that we're at this 86 range. Seems like a little bit of confidence left in the market, but again, just got to really be careful if we do see a breakdown. In my opinion, confirmation is at 89. It's not at 86. So I'm just paying attention here, see if we had a rejection again, like we've had in the past. We are still creating higher lows here on the 1 year. So just again, looking for that breakout with Bitcoin. That's going to indicate, in my opinion, that these alts are going to move. If Bitcoin could break out of that 89, I really think that a lot of these prices are going to start moving a lot more than they are right now. But you can see the market moving a little bit today. Things looking a little bit volatile also with Bitcoin creating the pattern now that's creating with that rising wedge, right? You guys can see some of these coins make great price action today. But now as Bitcoin is looking a little bit funky on that rising wedge, these coins are also starting to create some kind of nasty patterns as well too, right? So again, we'll see if XRP decides it wants to run. We'll see if Ethereum and these other coins decide it wants to run. And we'll see if Toshi wants to run too. It looks like Ethereum's actually been performing pretty decent, right? So again, maybe we can still have our altcoin season, guys. What do you guys think? You guys think we're going to have an altcoin season pretty soon, or do you think altcoin season is going to be a little bit later down the line? Could be either one, honestly, guys. We'll pretty much find out this week, I feel like. But as you guys can see, let's talk about Toshi, right? As you guys can see, Toshi seeing some good price movement today, right? Past hour, even up 3%. But as you can see, we are still sitting back on some key support right now. Bitcoin dipped, kind of made us all dip, right? But hopefully we could start breaking up, start seeing some new retests of some higher ranges on Toshi. Do have to definitely be careful in case we have a rejection off of this zone. Just want to make sure we're seeing the right chart. Yeah, right. This zone right here, right? We don't have a rejection off of this. As you guys could see, we retested this upper Keltner channel now twice. So we just, again, want to make sure that we're breaking up out of this, and we're going to need volume for that. In my opinion, we got to see Bitcoin continue doing its thing. Otherwise, again, Toshi Coin might come following Bitcoin if Bitcoin decides it wants to come down. But Again, a lot of time we do see a lot more price action happen on Thursday. So maybe we'll see some more price action happen on Thursday, and maybe that will move the markets. Or again, maybe we're starting to break down. Maybe the pump that we saw today was just too much, right? From 82 all the way to 87. This might need some time to cool down. And again, we have some key support right here at this 86. We have a little bit of support now at 85, I feel like. And then below that, of course, the 80 range. So we just want to make sure that we're not breaking back down, right? We did see a rising wedge play out before, right? We saw this rising wedge play out here, and it was hard for us to break out above it. We kind of trended sideways and then broke down, create another rising wedge. So maybe something like that might happen again. In my opinion, that might be an indicator that we're in for a long consolidation period. Pretty similar to what we experienced here, right? This was very similar, but this took a while to play out. So again, if Bitcoin cannot see what it needs to see, then I would expect this to also take a while to play out. So that's just kind of what I'm expecting right now based off of these charts. It could really go either way, though. It could really go either way. Toshi Coin could be pumping tomorrow. Bitcoin could be pumping. The market could be pumping. Or again, maybe the market has just seen its pump and it needs to now see another correction. It wasn't enough volume. I don't know. 7-day again, showing higher lows. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm always curious to know your guys' points of view too. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.